Okay, in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how the auto log works. So this is the SellEton software here. So what you want to do is first open up a txt file. Just a simple txt file. Let's see here. There we go. Simple txt file. On this software, you're able to customize the header names, as well as you can input information in these custom rows and columns. So once you have your scale set up and everything like that, and it's connected to the computer, you can have it auto log here. So here you just want to select the auto log function, and then you set a time interval. So I have it set for 5 seconds. Once it sees wait, a stable wait for 5 seconds, it will log it to the computer. So here you see it just logged. So the time it was logged, the date it was logged, and the weight that was registered being stable at that time. So again, these are able to be customized, right? You can put information there, you can put information there as well. Again, you can change some of these. To something like that. Let me say, workout, right? And again, every 5 seconds it will log once it sees a change of weight and stable weight. So it sees a change, it becomes stable within 5 seconds. Once that weight stays there for 5 seconds, it will log it. So again, change of weight, 5 seconds, once stable, log. And with this information, with the log here, you'll be able to export this and upload it to Excel to do whatever you need to do with it, as far as putting in another spreadsheet or whatever you need to do with it. But this is our auto capturing function on the SellEton Scales software. Thank you very much.